Hello again. This is the other thing I bought at the anime night. Apparently, this is supposed to be a little figurine of Pikachu that's all fluffy and stuff that makes noises. I just need to add batteries into it. This cost me about 20 bucks at the anime night I went to. And it was not too bad, 20 bucks. And it says I just need to put in AA batteries. AAA batteries, which I have. You just like rub your finger on it, makes noises and stuff. It's cute. So I'm gonna like test this out and see how this goes. So I'm gonna like try to remove the plastic and everything. So be right back. Now it's plastic wrapping and everything. Here's the actual box, synthetic style. Hope you guys could see this well with a camera. It's like hard to adjust. But like it says it makes noise and talk and everything. It's very cute. So yeah. Now we try getting out of the box. It seems. Just give me a second. I got him out of the plastic thing and box. See? He's out of it. Alright, so now I just need to put batteries, it says, with the instructions. See, it says that the opening is in the bottom. So then I just put the batteries in. Okay, so I have the batteries right here. It's a good thing I had some Duracells, so that should power it pretty well. It's nice and soft and knowing it. It's not squishy, but it's very soft and cute. So let's see. Do I need a screwdriver? I think I do need a screwdriver for this. Oof, this is gonna take some time. All right, be back. Got the batteries in. It was a little hard, but I got a screwdriver and everything. Okay, so according to the instructions, there's a little switch right here. Oh! Hello? That is so cute! What the? Look at this little spark of energy. Oh, that is so cute. It's supposed to like. I heard that if you like rub its head, it goes a little differently too. It's so cute. Yeah, it's like it says like 50 things, I believe, of sound. It's so cute. Hi. Hi, Pikachu. I guess it doesn't spawn or sound. But it does respawn if I pick it up and everything. It's so. This is so cute. Man, I say Japan does get advanced with a lot of things. I have another toy that's like this, but it's a Charmander. It's right here. And this one's supposed to make noise and stuff. I think it's still active. Ignore that was my phone. It is on. See? Yeah, see, that's doing the same thing as this thing. Oh, oh not really. Because this one has a movable hands and arms and a light up tail. This one has a light up cheek and make noises. Oh, what the heck? And yeah, this one reacts to somewhat sound. But this one reacts when you pick it up and touch it or so. See, Charmander, you have a friend. See, you two are happy. You two are gonna be best friends. It's so cute. It looks like they're talking. That's so cute. Yeah, I got this at Walmart. I always saw it at Walmart on the shelf alone, so I just got it one day. I was thinking of giving it to a friend, but I just kept it anyway. So, did it just died? It looks like it stopped. Yeah, I think the battery life is not pretty well on this one, on this model, but yeah. But I feel like they should make a lot of the same thing with this one as well, with all the starters or so, if they can. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I wonder how it looks in the dark. Let me see in the dark. Well, the lights are out, and Charmander's light is on. Let's see about Pikachu. That's so cute. Yeah, I think the Charmander goes to sleep mode on its own, but it's so cool. But this is pretty cool and neat. I guess best 20 bucks I ever spent. Yeah, where I was bought this was the same place I bought Sparks over there. If you guys see the Spark video, it was in the same booth. I saw it there. He had one on display. He had two more in storage to sell, so I bought the other one in storage. So yeah. Yeah, it's so cute. Now, Charmander here won't be lonely. He has a buddy. It's a little hard to make this one talk a little. Come on. Not you. So cute. This is so cool and cute. So yeah, this is from a different company, I believe. I think it's from... I think it says on the bottom. I think it says like Tom Toy or something. Or it's Cutie. Yeah. I know it's from a different touring company. It's pretty cool. This thing just seemed like I found this on the shelf. It was so alone all the time at Walmart. Like I thought someone would pick it up eventually, but no, I got it. I think it was like at least $16 on the shelf. So I bought this, like I said, at the anime night thing I went to. There it goes. So yeah, pretty cute. See, not too bad to spend on $20 or so. Pretty neat. I guess it's a 30th anniversary product, just like that big like Sparks there. So yeah, pretty big thing. These are like the only things I have of the 30th anniversary now. Like phone. So yeah. So these are like the two big things I have. Pretty neat. So this was not a bad find. It was pretty cool. I'll give it that. It's so cute. Alright. Well that's well that's the video. I hope you guys like these. And I Pika. Okay, I better turn this off. I don't want the batteries to die already. Yeah. But not so bad. It's pretty cute. I'll give this Lily a 10 out of 10. So, nice.